This is how you make an aluminium ring. First, you start off by getting your aluminium. I've got this really long tube of aluminium. It's going to make my job a lot easier. And then what you do next is you get a ruler and you start to measure out how long you want your ring. Measure it out a little bit longer than you actually want so that you can always sand it down later on. Now it's time to cut out the piece of metal. Now it's time to take the piece of aluminium that I have cut out to my sanding table. So I'm just going to use a file to get rid of the burrs, and then I'm going to go ahead and sand it on my sanding block. I just need to go ahead and shorten my ring because it's a bit too long. I just went to shorten my ring on here, the aluminium ring, and it got so hot that it actually melted the mask that I was using. And it was an accident because I only put it on there for a few seconds, but now I just need to wait for it to cool down before I can handle it and put it on the lathe. Next, what I need to do is go to my other workshop, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the lathe because I'm just going to go ahead and make it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to put a chamfer around the edges. But first, one step at a time, I'm just going to go ahead and make one of the edges a bit smaller. Okay, now that I have done that, it's time to put the chamfer on both of the sides of the aluminium. Alright, so it has been 1 week. What I have got left to do to my aluminium ring is, first of all, I need to cut it down by about half and narrow out the inside because it's a little bit too small and it's a bit too thick. I've got a few more things that I need to do afterwards, but first things first, let's go ahead and cut out the ring and hollow out the inside.
CNC machine program. Lady hacksaw. Well, this is it, they do. Yeah.
You've got a straight line. Do it in a, yeah, do it in a straight line. Down.
Straight line.
Okay, so I've gotten up to 600 grit sandpaper. It's coming along very nicely. I'm going to be going up to, I believe, 3,000 grit, something like that anyway. After 1 hour of non-stop sanding, all that sandpaper, all of this. 1 hour. Let's see.
Then you switch on. No. Because that's where the electricity goes from. Put it on the right bed, black to black. That's where the electricity goes to. Did anything unconnected?
Alright guys, so I have finished making the shape of the ring and chamfering the inside and the outside. I've finished sanding the inside so that it's smooth. Please leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!